Today I'm going to explain the theory of constraints in very simple terms. If you ever felt confused by bottlenecks, throughput, or why textbooks ignore labor costs, this video is for you. The core idea of TOC is very simple. Every process has one weakest point called a bottleneck. That bottleneck limits how much money the business can make. So instead of cutting costs everywhere, we manage the bottleneck. TOC uses three key measurements. Throughput is sales minus direct materials. Investment is money stuck in inventory and equipment. Operating costs are all other costs needed to run the system, and in the short run, we treat them as fixed. Let's use a simple show company example. Each pair sells for $80. Direct materials cost $50, so each pair generates $30 of throughput when sold. The company has two processes, cutting and sealing. Cutting can handle 42,000 pairs per year. Sealing can only handle 36,000 pairs. Since the slowest process sets the limit, sealing is a bottleneck. The bottleneck controls the entire system. Even if cutting is faster, the company still cannot sell more than 36,000 pairs. One extra unit produced as a bottleneck directly increases profit. Management is considering three options. They can automate sealing, automate cutting, or outsource sealing. TOC tells us to ignore options that don't improve the bottleneck. The correct TOC logic is simple. Ignore improvements outside the bottleneck. Focus only on options that increase throughput as a bottleneck. Choose the option that increases throughput the most. To summarize, TOC is not about minimizing costs. It's about maximizing throughput by managing bottlenecks. Once one bottleneck is fixed, you move on to the next one. If you like clear and simple explanations like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.